Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible benefits of drinking garlic water. Garlic, scientifically known as Allium sativum, belongs to the onion family and has been valued for centuries due to its powerful medicinal properties. This is largely thanks to a compound in garlic called allicin, which is responsible for many of its therapeutic effects. Without further delay, let's explore the top 10 benefits of drinking garlic water. Number 1. Garlic boosts the immune system. Garlic water is known to enhance the immune system due to its natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. Allicin, the active compound in garlic, strengthens the immune system by combating infections and lowering the risk of illness. Regular consumption may reduce inflammation, improve your body's defense mechanisms, and even help prevent common colds, flu, and other respiratory infections. Adding garlic water to your routine is a simple yet effective way to support overall health. Number 2. Garlic supports weight loss. Drinking garlic water may aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism and curbing appetite. Allicin helps increase fat burning for energy while also regulating blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity. These effects can reduce hunger and cravings. Additionally, garlic water promotes feelings of fullness, which can help lower daily calorie intake. Including garlic water in your diet may also help reduce the risk of obesity-related conditions, such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Number 3. Garlic lowers blood pressure. Garlic water may help manage blood pressure, particularly for individuals with hypertension. Research shows that the sulfur compounds in garlic help relax blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing blood pressure. It also reduces inflammation in the arteries, preventing plaque buildup and lowering the risk of heart disease and stroke. While garlic water can complement a heart-healthy lifestyle, it should not replace prescribed medications. Number 4. Garlic improves digestion. Garlic water can enhance digestive health by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. The sulfur compounds promote better nutrient absorption and alleviate common digestive issues like gas or bloating. With its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, garlic water also supports gut health and regular bowel movements. However, it's wise to start with small amounts to avoid digestive discomfort and gradually increase intake. Number 5. Garlic exhibits anti-cancer properties. Studies suggest that garlic water may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, including stomach, colon, and breast cancer. The sulfur compounds in garlic may prevent DNA damage and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Garlic water may also enhance the immune system's ability to combat abnormal cells. While promising, more research is needed, and garlic water should not be a substitute for medical cancer treatments. Number 6. Garlic detoxifies the body. Garlic water supports the body's detoxification processes by stimulating liver enzymes that eliminate toxins. The sulfur compounds in garlic protect the liver from toxin-related damage and may aid in removing heavy metals like lead and mercury. Drinking garlic water regularly can enhance your body's natural ability to cleanse itself and maintain overall well-being. Number 7. Garlic reduces inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of garlic water may help reduce chronic inflammation, which is linked to several health conditions including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Allicin works by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory compounds. Regular consumption of garlic water can help manage inflammatory conditions and promote a healthier immune response. Number 8. Garlic enhances skin health. Garlic water may improve skin health due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Allicin combats bacteria and fungi, helping to prevent and treat skin infections. It also reduces skin inflammation, potentially improving conditions like acne and eczema. The antioxidants in garlic protect against free radical damage, slowing the skin's aging process. Always consult a healthcare provider before using garlic water topically or orally for skin concerns. Number 9. Garlic possesses anti-aging effects. The high antioxidant content in garlic water helps combat free radical damage, a key factor in aging. The sulfur compounds in garlic may also stimulate collagen production, promoting skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. By improving blood circulation, garlic water can further support skin health and reduce age-related discoloration. Number 10. Garlic supports brain function. Garlic water may boost brain health by improving blood flow to the brain and reducing inflammation. These effects can enhance cognitive function and lower the risk of age-related cognitive decline, including Alzheimer's disease and dementia. The antioxidants in garlic water protect brain cells from oxidative stress, supporting long-term cognitive health. Conclusion: incorporating garlic water into your daily routine is an easy and effective way to unlock its many health benefits. From strengthening the immune system and aiding in weight loss to improving digestion and supporting brain health, garlic water is a natural remedy with powerful effects. Give it a try by adding a few cloves of garlic to your water and experience the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more health tips and informative content.